This is the first time I've ever been able to buy this disc, and I am super stoked about it. Let's open this thing up so I can show you guys what I got. So we have the 2022 Missy Gannon Big Z Mantis from Ledgestone. For some reason, the Big Z Mantis has been a very limited release disc. I know it's been out in the past as regular runs and things like that, but they re-ran it this year and I finally got my hands on it. This is going to be a great fairway driver for any player, especially beginner players that are looking for a fairway driver that's easier to throw and get some decent distance with. If you're looking to pick up a Big Z Mantis, there are still some over on shopledgestone.com. Make sure that you hit the link in my bio to help support me and also help support Missy this year. Let me know in the comments section if you've thrown the Mantis before, and make sure that you like to file for more disc golf content.